So let's get the green beans ready. We're gonna be trimming off the edges on both of these and popping them in the middle. A lot of people snap these. I'm gonna cut them. And I'll get back with you when I finished everything. All right, green beans. Okay, so I already cleaned my green beans. Got the ends off, snapped them in the middle. Gonna be boiling these with some chicken broth, and then, you know, until they get nice and bright. And then I'm gonna add some bacon in there. And when I put it all together, bam! I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning crumb, some Italian crumb seasoning over the top, and that's gonna be out of bounds. Get back with you. Don't go away. Okay, I'm gonna be adding about a cup of chicken broth. That's all I had left in here is about a cup and a half, my bad. Gonna be adding some garlic powder. Some smoked paprika. Okay, so I'm gonna actually get some bacon done for the string beans. Just gonna toss these in here and put 5 pieces. And this is the thick cut bacon. Render this down. And we'll go from there. Okay, so we got the bacon almost ready for the string beans. Just gonna get a little more crispier. I softened some butter. It's gonna be my base. I softened some butter, put a little garlic. And now the bacon is done. I'm gonna take this out. Go ahead and get my string beans. And I'm gonna put my bacon in here. Alright. I'm gonna leave a little bit of sauce in here to let them make a semi-roux for this dish. Alright, get back to you when I get there. Alright, so I got my bacon in here. Gonna get that on a nice little boil. I get this with a nice little boil here. Put the top on. And this is gonna be it. Just wait until it's done. Get back with you. Okay, added a half a stick of butter. These are going just fine. I'm gonna add a pinch of pepper. Pinch of kosher salt, 2 pinches of kosher salt. Stir this up. Put the top back on, and we'll be ready in like 15 minutes. Alright, so the green beans are ready. Just gonna get these plated up, and then we'll move on to finishing the turkey. Bam, get back with you in a minute.